Welcome to HaveFunLetsTravel. I'm Jeremy, here with a tip to show you how to skip the lines at Silver Dollar City. The park can get very crowded at times, and the wait lines to the rides can get pretty long. This is where the Trailblazer Pass may come in handy. With the Trailblazer Pass, or Super Trailblazer Pass, you can skip the line and jump right on the next ride. The $53 Trailblazer Pass allows you front of the line access on several rides up to 8 times during a single visit, while the $85 Super Trailblazer Pass allows you unlimited front of the line access on these rides. While this sounds like a good idea, our family has never used one of these passes and generally only waited a few minutes for each ride. But if you visit the park during a busy weekend or during the peak season, you might want to consider a Trailblazer Pass. The best option is to wait until you arrive at the park to see what the waiting lines look like before buying a pass. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money saving tips. And if you got something good out of this video, give it a like before you go. It shows me that you enjoyed it and it helps me keep the content coming. Now it's time for the unforgettable opening ceremonies, and that's what I'll explain in the next video shown here. Thanks for watching and tell your friends.